All right, guys. I wanted to go over here real quick with you the budget calculator that we have here. When you open this up, you'll first notice that the top page is labeled as the current budget. And then if you come on down, we have a separate page where you can put in those numbers as you anticipate they may change in retirement. And you can even pull the data from page one to pre-populate everything so that you're making tweaks instead of restarting the budget process. So in here, what you'll notice if you put in numbers here, and I'm just kind of punching in at different intervals here, different spots, but you can see it's going to add up this total for us if you use numbers, and it automatically brings those incomes into our net income summary. So what's going to happen in this is it's going to add up all of our expenses as we go through here. So it's going to total those, and these are different categories of expenses that we've tried to try to think out for you here. And what you also notice is that as we go through these, you'll see here that the total in the expense summary is being tabulated here, and that annual number from the lower right hand is actually getting put right into the annual lifestyle expense here at the top. So if we brought in a spousal expense or income here and brought all of this together, now you can start seeing how the income surplus or gap would play out based on this, snapshot, not a full projection. But then you can round it out by saying, okay, today I'm 61, I'm looking to retire at 67, and that tells us we've got 6 years left here. We can plug in a couple other numbers and it'll round out our categories. You can see it's all been brought in here to the bottom where the annual total is. Now, if I wanted to, I could clear it, start over, start fresh. But you can see this is showing an after-tax need for this lifestyle of about $76,000. Now, we go to retirement, and many people are going to have different income streams. They might live in different areas. But to start, we'll go ahead and pull that data. And what you'll see here is that it all comes together. Give it a second. It's going to pull all that data in, and now we can go in and actually make our changes. Say, okay, here's what we know our pension will be. Here's what we know, this, that, or the other will be. And adjust the income pieces as you see fit. And again, you'll see it's all updating live here. And as you come down, you can also say, okay, well, we'll get rid of, the home insurance. Well, that's not a great example, but maybe we spend less on clothing or education in retirement. And you can shift your expenses around to reflect how those might change once you actually separate from service. And again, still be able to get this snapshot here of what your income summary would look like at that point if it played out this way. So we hope this is helpful.